civil war erupted between Julius Caesar and the Senate. In 49 BC, Caesar crossed the Rubicon River, sparking a conflict that ended with his victory, and the end of the Republic's authority. He became dictator for life, but in 44 BC, a group of senators assassinated him, hoping to restore the old order. Instead, chaos deepened. Caesar's heir, Octavian, faced rivals like Mark Antony and Cleopatra. In 31 BC, Octavian defeated them at the Battle of Actium, securing his control over the Roman world. 2 years later, in 27 BC, he took the title Augustus, becoming the first emperor of Rome. The Roman Empire was born. Augustus reorganized the government, reformed taxation, and created a professional army and navy. He built roads, temples, and monuments, all symbols of stability after decades of civil war. Augustus's reign began the Pax Romana, a period of relative peace and prosperity that would last for about 200 years. Rome became the largest city in the world, and its culture, language, and laws shaped much of Europe and the Mediterranean.